Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Deputy Inspector General of Police TAP ke Kong Claudia Lingwa habaya keren berkilat pathai khubor menta ke sengi ke santrik uluber arajar arpusau kalaong. Banakaliang ke sorkar hadu menta kadang don ke jing temu ban pun urlong ke jing keren suk bat ke kinhon king atiar HNLC bat kumban supin kin mau badang hagini ki kindiat sengi nakaliang ke tenat pulit jong ke jela kalayo ban kem. Yo weni gitu khot jong ke seng yo bala tip kerteng kum Storgy lingdo ubale dan bentalang hagajing ya keren yesuk bat ke sorkar. Hagabide bat kajing temu jong ba Storgy ban wan Pyndem no hakmat jong ke sorkar nakaliang ke DIG kalaong. Ba Lada udon shisha kajing temu ban wan Pyndem unam Leit Shuh sa Bangladesh bat kajing let jingwan jong u na Bangladesh sa Meghalaya kam don jingmut ban Pyndem Lada amla ban ne tang shijaka. Shuh nakaliang ke DIG kala pentip ru bahadin bala penlong yang kajing tokit laong ba lalap ba naga mobile phone jong Storgy lingdo lalap yaki contact number jong ki break bala pha yaki shithi niki message dawa bisa bat kajing tokit kandang peteng naga benta ban lap Shuh ya ki dautan rai bat kajing shisha.
From a government side, the initiative is always there from the very beginning. And to date, our doors are also still open for these talks with the management. So, if you all are curious, recently there was arrest of the HNLC cadre, Storgy who had sneaked from Bangladesh. And if you will recall, he was also part of the peace talk when the members had come over to talk with the government. And unfortunately, it was learned from credible information that he had sneaked back from Bangladesh, and he was finally arrested by the East Kars Hills police. And from his mobile phone, only we learned that there has been a lot of extortion and demands made on a lot of people. So in this particular case, there is nothing from our side that this peace talk will not continue. It will still continue, and our doors are always open. The person had gone to Bangladesh, and that's also clearly understood. If he had wanted to surrender, he was always here in Shillong all the way. The police, the government was talking. So from our point of view, the going back to Bangladesh and coming back from Bangladesh here, what does that imply? And I leave it to your own understanding.
Can you tell us about the firepower and manpower strength of the agency?
As of date, from our knowledge that we have, the strength of the cadres are barely 20 to 30.
Weapons?
Weapons, we will not be able to say what kind of weapons they have over there, but as of here, I think they have very little weapons with them.
So the operations will continue despite the government's initiative to talks.
No, these are not operations. We never initiated anything. If somebody commits a crime, whether it is HNLC or any other normal person, the law will take some course.
From Storgy alone, how many demands from him to people?
No. There was no demand note served by him to the people, but from his phones, a lot of contact numbers was opened and seen, and they were all demands to various people, business people. No, as of now, that is the only information where he was also arrested. We are still continuing. Definitely investigation will still be continuing. We will not stop in that line. The peace talk will go one end, but if anybody commits a crime, then of course we have to take action against them.
What is the message to the people who donate to the agency?
What is that?
The people who donate.
I couldn't understand.
People who donate to the agency or GNL, what is the action of the police?
They are also liable.
No, everybody is liable. You see, if you are donating or you are contributing or whatever excuse you can make, you will still be liable, because at the end of the day, that is against the law. See, DG sir has already spoken the kind of work that the police have been doing. We will do all, our job is policing. And whatever information that comes to us, we act straight away. That itself should instill confidence in the people. From the time that the HNLC started in Meghalaya, the police have worked, endlessly. We have sacrificed so many police lives in this fight. So that itself, and the way the eastern part of the state is as of today, I'm sure that is, you can see the amount of tourists that are coming. All this has changed the face of Meghalaya. So that is because the police have actually put in a lot of hard work in it. We have also sacrificed police lives in this. That should instill enough confidence, I think, in all people.